Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 846, and in this video I will show you how to adjust sound volume on this laptop. So the first way to do this is by clicking these icons on your status bar in order to open the control center, where you can adjust your sound volume by moving the slider either to the left to decrease the sound volume or to the right to increase it. You can additionally mute the volume by clicking this icon right here, and you can also navigate you can also manage your sound volume using keyboard. So if you press F7 button, you will increase your sound volume. If you press F6, it will decrease your sound volume, and if you press F5, it will mute your system audio. And if these three keys don't do anything for you, you have to press the combination of Fn and left shift button, and this will disable the FN lock or enable the FN lock feature, and you'll be able to use these buttons to change the volume level. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.